starting today, I'll be drinking 1 gallon of water every single day for 14 days. I find that drinking water to be very challenging for me kasi sobrang tamad akong magtubig. I only drink 2 or 3 glasses every day and then wala na akong ibang iniinom kundi kape. So I'm gonna try to change that. Kailangan ko makainom ng 1 galon na tubig araw-araw. Konti lang yun.
Sa maghapon na yun.
Oo, tapos dapat daw sa first 10 hours ng pagkagising, mainom mo na yun. Ayun po, maging HMP. So this is my second to the last bottle of water para matapos ko yung challenge for today. I must say, things are going well. Ang hassle lang kasi sobrang dalas talaga ng pag-ihi. Pinaka-noticeable right now is that increase in energy. Yan yung pinaka na-feel ko. First day pa lang naman. Let's see after a couple of days kung kumusta or how does it feel pa moving forward.